What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, Hazy Anarchy, and in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how to change your Logitech shift knob on your Logitech shifter for your G29, G23, and or other models. So you're just gonna take it off with a Phillips head screwdriver, just like that. It's real easy. It unscrews in about 3-4 seconds. It's not a lot of work. And then when you order your shift knob, you want to order it with the plastic adapters. They're gonna go on the bottom just like that. They'll screw in on these threads. They'll just boom. And then that will slide right onto your Logitech shifter and it's done. Just boom, you're done. Push it on there a little bit and then you're good. Put your clutch in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. Works perfect. Neutral. Perfect. And first gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. You're good. And it looks really good. I'm gonna be entering clips at the end before and after to show exactly how much of a difference it looks. It doesn't make much of a difference in game, but it feels way better in my opinion. This one's way too small. It doesn't fit the palm of my hand at all, and this one I can actually hold. It's still kind of small, but it works. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.